Hey, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and I want to share with you something that uh, I've been doing, and I think this will help a lot of you. We started seeing a lot of people having neck pains because of the increase in number of people that are working from home. And let's face it, when we work from home, we don't really have a good, setup. Forget about, ergonomics when it comes to, working from home. Most of the time, at least with most of my patients, actually including myself, we're just lucky or we're happy that we get something, a space at home that we can work with. So these are, I have five cool, effective exercises that can help prevent you from having neck pain, and if you are having neck pain, can help relieve those pains pretty quickly. Okay, so and this doesn't take too long too, and this is something, a routine that I personally do. So let's say when I've been typing, I usually set the limit 15 minutes tops, 30 minutes. 15 minutes, the most is 30 minutes. I try to take a break and I do this sequence. So the first is because when you're typing or when you're writing, a lot of us there were like slouching like this, right? So first is you want to be straight. You want to straighten yourself up. So these are the exercises that I do. First is I actually squeeze my shoulder blades back, open up the chest, squeeze it for how long? Can have 5 to 10 seconds. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Imagine you have something between your shoulder blades and you're squeezing it as tight as you can. After that, what I do is I raise my shoulders up and I kind of roll it back and I squeeze there and I actually extend my neck a little bit, and sometimes I go side to side gently, squeezing the upper traps there. So I hold that for 5 to 10 seconds also. And then I bring my hands behind my head like this. I open up, bring my elbows out as much as I can, and I extend. If you have a backrest, you can do the same thing. Just extend out, stretch your mid back and your chest. Hold it like around 10 seconds, and then you can do a neck stretch like this with the upper traps. You can do 5 to 10 seconds, and the last one is you can just do diagonal. This is what I call the smell your armpit stretch. Both sides on 5 to 10 seconds, and then after that I just shake it off, and I feel a lot lighter after I do that series. So I want you to try it and see how you feel. Very quick, 5 to 10 seconds each one. So in total it will just take you a minute or even under a minute, and it will help get that blood flow, into the neck area, get rid of that lactic acid buildup, help prevent, getting those knots there, help prevent those spasms, and definitely help prevent getting those, stubborn and very annoying neck pains. All right, I want you to try this and see if it works for you. Share this with everyone you know, because like I mentioned, a lot of people working from home. We see this a lot in the clinic. Just want to shoot out this quick video so everybody can know. Just share this with everyone you can. If you like the video, you can follow us on Facebook, and Instagram, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel also. You'll see other tips and videos in those places. All right, and I would love to hear what you think. Leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next video.